Most things in Las Vegas have a shelf life. I mean, let's be real. Getting attached to its history can be a little frustrating. I mean, you have iconic casinos blown to smithereens. You got performers who retired or get replaced, or our attention span kills it. Not in the case of the Peppermill or the Fireside Lounge. Its doors opened on December 26, 1971 on the Las Vegas Strip. It holds the title of the oldest bar on the Strip.
Did you still need a couple minutes to look at the menu?
I'm always ready to go here. I always know what I want.
If so, I can come back in a couple minutes and give you some more time. Ready? We're ready. Sure, you got it. What would you like? Well, she and I are going to flip the garden omelet. Garden omelet? Would you like to add cheese onto the omelet? Yeah? I don't care. I like cheese. Okay. Sure. American, cheddar, provolone, Swiss, mixed cheese. Yeah. Provolone, you got it. And you can get toast, bagel, or a muffin with that. Blueberry, lemon cranberry.
That is.
I'll make sure to bring an extra plate over for you, okay?
Yes.
Welcome.
I'm gonna have the old fashioned look.
Got it. Any sides for you? Bacon, egg, sausage? Yeah.
Just butter.
Perfect, you got it.
And I will take the crab cakes and then a side of that muffin. Same one she got.
Lemon cranberry?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Love that.
Would you like those muffins out beforehand? Or with everything?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, beforehand for me.
Sure. Okay. You got it. Thank you.
That's pickle.
Yeah. Perfect, thank you.
I absolutely love these. These are the lemon cranberry muffins that come here. What is your opinion of them?
Well, yes, absolutely my favorite. They have like a blueberry or something. I don't even care.
Yeah.
This is absolutely the best.
Awesome. Now, what did you order?
We ordered a garden omelet with provolone cheese, and I have to say it's one of my favorites also here. The vegetables are fresh, the cheese is great, the eggs are cooked perfectly, and I like crispy hash browns, and the hash browns are just what I want.
And Dylan, how do you like your waffles?
Very good. I slather it in butter.
Yes, well, describe them.
They're light, airy, and fluffy, which is just the way a Belgian waffle is supposed to taste.
Yes. And then as far as that's with butter? I mean,
Has whipped butter on it, covered in powdered sugar. Very light and airy.
awesome. Thank you. My breakfast is freaking fantastic. Whenever I see it on a menu, I'll always buy it. And that is a crab cakes egg benedict. Their hollandaise sauce is amazing. Their hash browns are crispy. Their English muffin is an English muffin. That's it.
All right.
Love it.
There you go. That's me.
Mary, what do you think of the help, the waitress so far?
Okay, I don't remember her name, but I don't remember her name, but she was absolutely amazing.
Kristen.
Kristen. Okay, so very attentive, always checking on us. She's given absolutely everything before we could ask for it. It was she's the best waitress I've ever had.
The original owners, Matt Caraselli and Bill Paganetti, created a 70s icon. To this date, it holds much of its personality, from owners to owners and through 5 renovations. It might look familiar as you've seen it in movies and TV shows such as Casino or Showgirls or CSI Las Vegas. Some of the things you don't want to miss while you're visiting this property is its signature drink called the Scorpion. The Bloody Marys are things legends are made of. The portions are large and everything is made fresh. So far, it's the fastest service in all the restaurants we have visited in Las Vegas. Cleanliness is unbelievable. Forget about the casino buffets. This place is the one you want to visit. We give it a 10 out of 10.
Scott, how do you like your breakfast?